According to a scientific analysis released today, 3 chemicals present both inside and outside homes might disrupt our endocrine systems at levels considered safe by the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency. The chemicals benzene, toluene, and xylene are ubiquitous in the air outside and in many products inside homes and businesses. They've been linked to reproductive, respiratory, and heart problems as well as smaller babies. Now researchers from the Endocrine Disruption Exchange, TEDx, and the University of Colorado Boulder say that such health impacts may be due to the chemical's ability to interfere with people's hormones at low exposure levels.